What is up, you guys, and welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Today's gonna be a quick video, you guys. We're gonna be talking about the Toyota Tacoma Raptor lights, how to install them, what comes in the box, and how they look during the day. So without further ado, let's go ahead and straight into the video. One thing I do want to mention is that this product is not sponsored by anything. This is just something that I bought on my own. Tacoma Lifestyle does have anything and everything for first, second, and third gen Tacomas. Anything you could possibly imagine, from roof racks, blackout kits, to camping equipment, tents, radios, anything like that. So if you guys are interested, I do highly recommend Tacoma Lifestyle. They have great prices. I'll go ahead and leave the link down to Tacoma Lifestyle, where to get these lights. Along with their general website. You can just plug in your information and they'll be able to give you anything and everything for whatever generation Tacoma you have. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get back into the video. Alrighty, so this is going to be the box that the product comes in. Like I said, once again, I got these off of Tacoma Lifestyle. The Raptor lights are going to look like this. You do get four of these. I did happen to purchase an extra one just in case one burnt out, but this is what they look like. It's pretty simple, nothing sophisticated. And if anyone is wanting to get more into the details, here is a little description of what the layout's going to look like. I have something similar to this under the hood, but I'll be able to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, how to install it, the wiring. It's pretty simple, really easy. All you're going to need, it already comes with everything, so all you're going to need is, if you did want anything, like I said, I did purchase an extra one of these. That's just for precautionary, just in case it burnt out or anything like that. But it's pretty easy, nothing hard. It maybe takes about 5 minutes to install. So super easy video. So let's go ahead and get under the hood and I'll show you guys what I mean. So for those that are wondering, I do have the stock TRD off-road grill. The grill does have these big gaps. I actually purchased these on Etsy, so they're not going to be the same ones that come on the kit. So the lights themselves actually clip on to this black clip that goes into the grill, and it's going to be the same for each one of these. This is going to be what I'm talking about. So you have your light right here, and then this is that black clip that I purchased. I will leave the link to the description, or the link to the black clips. Like I said, I got these off of Etsy. I'm trying to do this with one hand here, so let's see if I can do it. So this, basically, you just bring it through, and then these just clip right into place. So just like that. And then this one is gonna go right in there. So just run it through like that, and then you just line it up, and then it'll just click into place. Sorry about that, I'm trying to do this with one hand here. Oh, let's see if I can get it. One thing I did forget to mention is that the black clip has this little lip right here. There is going to be a gap right above here, so you just want to line that up. And then once you line it up, then you can just clip it right into place. Just like that. And then you do the same thing for all the other ones. And then that is it as far as just installing them into place. Now, as far as wiring, I just wired them. I suck at wiring. Like, I'm using this electrical tape here, but what you do is you just wire them however you want, and then just run them all the way along till you get to your fuse box. Now, once you get to your fuse box, you are going to have two cables. You're going to have a black one that's going to be your ground. I mounted my ground right on here, and then your red one is just going to run up through here. You can actually unclip this right here. As you can see, there's a little clip right where my finger's at. You just pop it out and then just slide the red cable straight up through with the rest of the ones that are in the vehicle, and then into this fuse right here. One thing that I did do is I did buy some more cable. This is a really terrible job. I recommend you using something else, but I just kind of did this on a fly. What you can do is just grab some, what I did is I grabbed more red cable. I actually didn't have enough to run it all the way through, so I just got maybe like another small portion, just chopped it off, wired it on, taped it on, and then straight into this fuse right here. This fuse is what I like. It worked for me, but there are other fuses you can use. Now, just so everyone can see, this is the ATA fuse that the kit comes with. Like I said, everything already comes in the box. This will be one cable, one red cable along with the black one that goes right there. It is going to be one piece, but like I said, I cut it off and added a little bit more. But this is the ATA fuse that comes on here. Now, in the instructions or other videos that you see on YouTube, most people will recommend you unplug this one and then just plug this one right in its place. But what I did instead is I plugged it into this one right here. It's going to be a 10, I believe these are 10, a 10 that you unplug, and then you plug this one right in just like that. Let's see here, just like that. And the reason I did that is because this here is connected to your vehicle. So whenever, obviously it's connected to your vehicle, duh, but whenever you turn your vehicle on, the lights will turn on. I'll show you guys here what I mean real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Everything's already plugged in, and then you just go straight up front and they're already on. So what I mean by using that other fuse that most people recommend on any other video is the fact that my lights are on right now, but whenever you basically you have your Raptor lights plugged into your fog lights or your DRLs, so you actually can like turn them on and off with the other fuse, versus the one that I used, you can just plug it in and every time you turn your vehicle on, they're while your vehicle is running, the lights are going to be on. Here's another angle for you guys, just kind of zoomed out. Now, you don't have to use this setup. This is just what I like. It's what works for me. I like it best, but if you want to go ahead and go the other route, you can do that as well. Then once you're done setting everything up, you close up, close that one, and then you have another clip right in there, and then you're all done. So there you have it, guys. It's going to be a quick rundown of the Tacoma Raptor lights. Now, you can get these for any generation Tacoma. It works out. The only thing that's going to change between the way you install them on mine and then any other Tacoma is going to be the way that the clips work. Like I said, I will add the link to the little black clips that I used for the stock TRD. They also work for the TRD Pro grill and any other TRD edition or TRD grill that you might have on your truck. So if you have any other questions or comments, please feel free to write it down in the description box. Like I said, I'll go ahead and add all the links to the products that I used. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to give this video a like and a comment, and I will get back to each and every one of you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys have a great day, and I will see you guys on the next one.